Hi friends, today we are going to cover application deployment. So at the end of this exercise you will be able to deploy an application using the admin console, deploy an application using WebLogic Deployer, monitor an application using the admin console. In this lab you will deploy an application to WebLogic using two common methods, the admin console and WebLogic Deployer. The admin console provides a wizard-driven interface for deploying application, or if you script operations and maintenance tasks, you can use the command line tool named WebLogic Deployer. For this lab, you will deploy a sample web application that's included when you install WebLogic with example code. The sample web application, main web app, serves as a home page for all other sample web applications and code examples from Oracle. The main web app is packaged as an exploded archive directory, not as an archive file. The difference are covered in this lecture, but the deployment process for both are the same. So start the demo domain, we'll start the lab domain, admin server if it is not running. So let's bring up our environment. So our environment is up. Let's log in as root. Okay, we have to start the admin server. So we'll start the admin server of the lab domain. Searching for username password. WebLogic 1 2 3. So server state changed to running. So our admin server has started. Now let's log into the console. Okay, we click on deployment. Then we lock and edit. Then we click on install. Install, then we have to go to the location, current location, application home, which is Udemy Udemy application slash U01. Udemy, then application, WL server, examples. Here we will have our main web app. So we select that and click next. Install this deployment as an application, click next. We'll target it to admin server, click next. Main web app, click next. Click finish. So our application has been deployed. Click on save. Now activate changes. So our application has been deployed. So if we go to deployment, we can see our main web app. We go to the monitoring task. This is prepared. We have to make it active. So click here. and click on start servicing on request. Yes, now it has become active. So our application is now active. Now let's try http://local host 7001/. So this is the application that we just installed. So you can see we have deployed an application and we have run the application from the browser. Now we will redeploy this application using WebLogic deployer. First delete the deployment by selecting the checkbox for main web app and then clicking delete. So first we'll delete the application. We'll delete this application. Lock and edit. We'll delete this application. We'll redeploy the application. Currently running and may not be deployed. So we have to stop it. We have to stop it. Force stop now. Yes. So it has stopped. Now we will delete the application. Now the application is deleted. Now we will redeploy the application using the WebLogic deployer. So we will go to the command prompt. Then we will source we will have to do source this application. We'll source the WS set WLS environment.sh. So your environment has been set. Now we will deploy the application. Domain edit log is non-exclusive mode. The deployment, okay, it says domain edit log. Okay, maybe we have not activated the changes. That's why. So we have to activate the changes. Now, if we run this command, it should work. Deploy completed on server admin server. Now if we go to the deployment page, so you see main web app has been redeployed. So we have deployed an application using the wizard in the admin console, and then we have deployed it through WebLogic deployer. So that's about deploying application. Application monitoring, you can go to the monitoring tab and monitor the different parameters for this application. We go to web application, you will see our application which is in active state. So this is how you deploy any web application. WebLogic primarily caters to Java based web application. So you can deploy a Word file, a EAR file, a MDB file. So any Java based application you can deploy in WebLogic. Thanks guys. Bye from me.